Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures on Friday, December 7th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get started here. What do we got going on in crude oil here today? Well, crude prices are a bit firmer here right now this morning. We're up about 23 cents, trading just under $87 a barrel. But let's backtrack here for a minute. Let's talk about yesterday's price action here. We saw that market really breaking down, risk-off type attitude, and crude prices came under some pretty good pressure. We traded down to a low of 85.68. If you get a chance, if you haven't watched my post from December 4th, jump back, take a look at it. We were talking about this bull channel that we've been in, and that market was coming down, we were looking at a target there of around the 86.5 area. We reached that objective yesterday, actually went through it by about another $1, bringing us down to about the bottom of that bull channel that we've been in. Now, price action this morning has been kind of two-sided. We're holding yesterday's lows. And we'll kind of see how the market's shaping up here today. It's a little bit two-sided here as traders, I think, are kind of making up their mind. Now, we do have some information out in the market kind of affecting prices here today. We did get some disappointing data out of Europe, not too much of a surprise there, but suggesting here that we're going to see some weaker demand for crude. And that was kind of offset by some positive data coming out of China. Keep in mind this weekend here we've got data coming out of China. CPI, PPI really has the potential to drive prices here on Monday. If we really start seeing demand and things really improving in China, we could see demand for crude start to pick up there. As we know, as I've talked to many of my posts, crude demand has been very questionable. Supply side has been pretty ample. So that's kind of helped keep prices muted. Tensions in the Middle East seem to be calming down just a little bit. We'll keep an eye on that. As I've stated in other posts here, it really hasn't done anything to affect the supply of crude oil. But certainly it does give the idea that maybe we could see something happening there. So we'll keep an eye on that, see what develops here over the weekend. Today, I think what we should be looking for is possibility of short covering. That market, all week, we're $5 off the high we saw on Monday. Market's pretty much been coming down all week. You got to ask yourself, as a trader, you're looking at the technicals, we're near the bottom of this bull channel. I think that represents a buying opportunity. In addition to that, do you want to be short heading into the weekend? Those are things that we really want to concentrate on. Give me a call at the trade desk. Shoot me an email. We can talk. We can get into more detail. We'll talk about the other markets. Today we got nat gas. It's a little bit quieter. It's unchanged right now. Complex a bit mixed here with the RBOB up about a penny and a half and the heat basically about unchanged. So once again, give me a call at the desk if you want to talk. We can get into some strategies, some risk management. The number to the desk on the screen. Of course, keep in mind that the risk of loss does exist in futures trading, and it may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.